Welcome back, and today we're playing SkyFactory4 on Android. We're currently playing Minecraft Java on Android thanks to the Pojav Launcher available in the Google Play Store. Looking at the settings, we can see that everything's blurry because the GUI scale is set to auto. Unfortunately, changing it sets it to minimal only and can't change it back, so I'm leaving it on auto for the time being. As you can see, I left the FOV, or the field of view, normal, and I've changed the music to 0%. It's been a while since I played SkyFactory4, but this menu, or this create a world screen, is certainly new to me. Certainly didn't look like this before, but I like it. We enable Prestige so we can check it out, because I never checked it out before. While the game is loading, I thought I'd explain the GUI, or the overlay that's on the screen from the Pojav Launcher, since the game doesn't have a way to be interfaced with Java Minecraft. Pojav fills in that gap. We've got the directional arrows plus the sneak button in the middle on the bottom left, and above that we've got the primary and secondary action buttons. And above that we've got debug, which is F3, then we've got third person view, which is F5, then we've got the button to hide the GUI, which also disables it. We've got the button for inventory, which is the same as E or I, depending on which version you're talking about. Then we've got the button that brings up the Android keyboard. Then we've got the escape button, so we can exit the menus. Then we've got the advancement button, then the prestige button, the waypoint management button, and the drop button. Then in the top right you've got the mouse button, which enables and disables the mouse interaction. And looking at all the advancements, we got SkyFactory4, Age of Enhancement, Age of Farming, Age of Power, Age of Storage, Age of Exploration, Age of All the Things OMG LOL, and Prestige. Of course I didn't do that in the video because this is a voiceover. You can't do everything perfectly at all times. This is a very important part. We got to break down the tree without destroying the last block and make a platform for the leaves to break down and give us more resources. We got to do this as fast as we can, but if we destroy that last dirt block, there's no hope. You might as well start a new game, because you'll just respawn, and if you respawn on top of leaves, if that, and go through a repeated dying process without any way of getting another dirt block. So it's very crucial that we do not destroy this last block. Okay, we're going to craft some wood planks now and create a platform. This is essential to help catch resources that may fall from the randomly breaking leaves. We'll start by creating a 3x3, then extending it out to a 5x5 platform. Now that we've got the platform in place, we don't have to worry about the resources falling off into the void. So now we can plant another dirt tree and collect the resources from that and repeat the process. And then we take our next step to getting a stone tree. To assist in the tree's growth, I tend to spam sneak, which is much safer than running around. Here I tried to make a crafting table, which I fumbled around for a bit. The GUI seems to be a bit clunky. However, I managed to create a crafting table and turned it into a hand crafting table, which is something that exists in SkyFactory4. The good thing about the hand crafting table is it allows us to craft with a crafting table from our inventory. It's very handy. The recipe only requires one stick and a crafting table. That's it. Now we craft a crook, which allows us to break leaves and gain extra resources from the leaves. The recipe is rather simple, just 4 sticks, 3 straight up the middle and 1 to the left top. Here we craft a slab chest in order to store our initial items, which only requires 8 slabs in a circle on a crafting table. We extend our platform to facilitate another tree by building or making another dirt block. I place the torch down as nighttime is approaching and need some way to identify our chest in the dark, if need be. Put down our chest slab so that way we can store our initial items so that way they don't get added to crafting recipes. Here's a demonstration of the crook's ability to facilitate extra items from breaking tree leaves. In order to progress to the next tree, the stone tree, we need to dry some acorns. So I build some drying racks and place 3 of them on this block. Of course, in typical Lunatic Mercenary fashion, I place one of the drying racks on the drying rack so I can dry my rack on my drying rack. Here's our first attempt at being an idiot, falling off our platform. As you can see, when we fall through the void, we respawn at the top of the world, so that way we can land on our platform. Unfortunately, I don't always do it the first time, but boom, there we go. However, this is what happens when you make sufficient advancement. If you don't, you end up dying. With the acorns on the drying rack, we can now continue our platform extension. Making a dirt block is easy. Place 5 dirt resins in an X form on the crafting table, then take 4 acorns and place them in the remaining spots. By using this combination of resin and acorns, you can create all sorts of different types of blocks with the appropriate resin and acorns. Inversely, you can make a gel or some other form thereof as well. At long last, I finally got the brilliant idea to create a wooden axe. With the placement of the dirt block, we continue the expansion of the platform and collecting resources. In SkyFactory4, if you don't continue to expand, you stagnate. So we build another platform in the other direction in order to facilitate the use of a house. Repairing our crock is easy as utilising the material that it was made from. In this case, a wooden stick for partial repair. However, you can utilise wooden planks for full repair, but wooden slabs don't work. One of the problems that many people, like myself, probably come across is the sudden inspiration and desire to change the idea that we were working from. And of course we wouldn't be Lunatic Mercenary if we didn't fall off into the void, landing on our platform, ending in our death. At least getting your items back is as simple as jumping on your gravestone, pressing shift, or sneak. There are probably better ways, but this is my preferred method. It's simple and easy to use. And now you can start to see why I have all these shortcut buttons around the screen. It is so that way we can get rid of stuff like waypoints from our deaths much easier. Here I'm just checking the size of the platform because I believed I had miscalculated, and indeed I did, but we changed that. With the platform of our house built, we can put 8 stone acorns around a dirt tree sapling in order to create a stone sapling for a stone tree. Of course we grow the tree so we can see the resources that we will be able to collect after harvesting it. Here you can see the full repair of the crock by utilising wood planks instead. I can't remember what tree comes next, but we'll continue in the next episode. Thanks for watching.